Hello everyone, so we're going to be working with this mirror easel die set, and I also have sold separately the mirror card set. So it comes with cardstock, embellishments, the little mirror foil, sentiments, and inspiration sheet, and then the dies come with the inspiration sheet and a how-to as well. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So I have taken this, and out of the cardstock I'm going to be using, let me show you a little bit of the paper. So really quick, it's double-sided. I believe it is 9 by 12 or 8 by 12, the sheets of paper. So this is the paper. I'm going to flip it over just in case you're interested in getting the Griffin mirror craft box. I'm going to be using that first pink one. So they're all so pretty. I hope this comes in a 12 by 12 eventually. So I'm using this one here, and I went ahead and taken this largest die set here, and I cut it out, and this is what I got. So this is what you need. So then you're gonna put that back, and then you're going to take out this piece here, which is called, I'm just gonna remove them, sorry, the shadow layer. And I went ahead and cut that out in some of Anna's pearl. This is like a pearl pink shimmer cardstock. So it's gonna look like that. And then you're going to take the actual mirror, decorative mirror, and I cut that out in some gold foil. This is not Anna's gold foil. This, I believe I got this from Sizzix. So that's some gold foil that I have. And then you have more pieces here to decorate. Here you have your stopper here. So let's go ahead and start assembling. So I cut this out, and what you're going to need to do is there is a score line. It's going to cut out when you run it through your die cutting machine. You're going to fold it. It's not quite in half because half would have reached the bottom, but you're going to go ahead and fold that over. And then there's also another score line here. You're going to fold that one this way. So what we're going to do is put some adhesive or glue. I would say use some tape. It just makes it faster so that your card can be done quicker. So I'm just going to use a piece of score tape, and I'm just going to put that on, and I did not put that on properly. So just put that on. And this is so easy and so cute to make. So, all right, so I have my tape here, and I'm going to go ahead and try to line this up. It doesn't line up perfectly because there is a shadow layer. So let me just zoom in a little. So you're just going to kind of should have like an 1/8 of an inch around. And you're just going to press that down on top of your tape. And then there we go. The easel should be started. So this is the back of it. Just like this. All right. So I've taken the mirror and I've put some of Anna's foam tape on the back. And you're just going to take that and pretty much leave a shadow layer around it and just get it on as best as you can. So now look how pretty. So pretty. I like it best in the shiny foils. The matte foils are nice, but I like it best in the shiny. So now we have this right here. So we need to create our stopper. So in the die set, you are going to find these. You have a shadow layer piece and this piece. I did not use the shadow layer. I just used the decorative piece. And so I did it in gold. And I just used some of Anna's foam tape in the larger square size. And you're just going to bring it back to where you would like it. And I'm going to sit mine like right here. Right there. So it's up to you. So right there. Right up above this part. Up above the bottom base. So now you have more layers to put on your mirror. You have the base. I'm going to use that on the next project. You have the little handles on the side where you turn the mirror. I'll use that on the next project as well. So you have more to decorate. I like it just plain gold like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating. In the mirror kit, you have a lot of embellishments. If you don't want to use these, you can use your own. Here is kind of a look. So you get perfume bottles, hairbrushes, combs, flowers, You got some foil of the perfumes, flourishes, you got sentiments, and you got flowers, of course. And there's also some cards for you to write something. You can put it on the back. So yeah, so I've grabbed a few of the florals. These are stickers. They're not dimensional. So you decide where you want to decorate and what you want to put on your mirror. So I have this beautiful floral here. And then these are stickers. So I'm going to use another one. So you just peel off the backing. And I'm going to put that like right here. They're so pretty. So then down here you can decorate. I like this perfume bottle. I think I'm going to put the comb. Doesn't fit, so you will want to put this on your mirror. So let's see. We have a comb and a brush. I think I'm going to put the comb, but I'm going to put some foam tape on it to give it a little dimension. So again, I'm just using some Anna's foam stickers. Remember, you can use the foam stickers found in the utility section at the Dollar Tree, and they are bigger than the little small foam squares that we're used to, but you can always cut them down. So I think I might back this up just a little bit, and I'm going to take this up and I'm going to peel off the backing of this sticker, and I'm going to place this like right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay this little comb over top. How pretty is that? So that is my little card. On the back, you can take one of these. There are stickers as well. There are circles and these beautiful shapes. Write a message and put it on the back, and you have a beautiful card. Or you can put it here so that your recipient can see it. So that is the first project. So let me clean this up and we will move on to the next project. So now we're going to go ahead and work on a scrapbook page. This is Anna's paper. I'm not sure what collection it is from a while ago, maybe 5, 6, maybe longer ago, years ago. So I'm not sure, but you can use any paper. So what I've done is I've taken the shadow layer and the decorative layer, and I'm going to go ahead and build a page. So the purpose of this page is to put photos on the mirror for Christmas. So yeah, you could do any, I don't know if I have that lined up right. I did the best I could. You could do any season, but this specifically is geared towards Christmas. So this is the decorative layer. I cut this out in some shiny green foil, and I just don't know where I got this from. I don't know if this is Anna's. I don't think it's hers because it was like a 8.5 by 11 piece. So I don't think Anna has 8.5 by 11. And then this one is from some foil cardstock that I had got from Michael's a long time ago. You have Anna's matte foil, but I just want to use these two. So there we go. So I did that. And then now I have used the base die from the set, which is this one. So I cut this out twice in gold. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up. I put some foam tape on it for some dimension. And I'm going to go line that up just to kind of give it some festive Christmas colors. And then one over here. I really like this mirror set. And then I went ahead and used this piece here. And I'm going to put that piece on the tops of the mirrors. So here and here. So this is so nice. I've also used this piece and this piece, which are the little, I would just call them turning handles. I've also put some foam tape on those. Let's put one there. And this will be really cute to do like, do you know people who are like ballerina dancers or models? I mean, you can use it for anything, but let's see, I'm missing a piece. So there we go. All right, so we have the gold there. So for the middle part, I'm not going to put anything because that is going to get covered up with a photo. So I'm going to leave that. What I did is I went through some of my Anna Griffin Christmas embellishments, and I got some poinsettias, and I just put some stickles on it. And I am going to place this one here at the base. I'm just going to put it at the base. I was going to put it up here, but it was kind of, for me, it was covering a little too much. So I changed my mind on that one. But you could do it so it would kind of look like this, which is nice, but I think it was just, I don't know. I kind of couldn't tell it was a mirror, so I didn't want to do it. So then here, I'm going to just sit this one here. And I actually want to make sure this sits above the little base. There we go. Isn't it cute? Cute, cute, cute. So then I have some poinsettia stickers. These are stickers from hers. They are 3D, but I went ahead and left the back sticker on and just added some foam stickers. And I am going to also take in some holly stickers that are hers, and I'm just going to place these at the top, the right and the left hand corner of my page. So then here and here. Make sure that stays in the page range. So there we go. And then this is one of her signature cards for Christmas, or writing cards. This is a sticker. So this is where we're going to put our journaling. So I'm going to try my best to center that. If I don't, boo. All right, so just put that there. That's where you can write whatever, you know, you want to write there. So then I have another one of these. I'm going to place that here in the center. And then I also have some of her greetings. So this says Happy Holidays. It's a sticker. And I'm going to put that above this mirror. And then I have this one that says Merry Christmas. And I'm going to put that one above this mirror. So look at that. So our scrapbook page is complete. And like I say, you put 2 photos here, and there you go. So how pretty. Maybe a Christmas party. If you're going to a Christmas party, a Christmas ball, Christmas day, maybe your, excuse me for this, maybe your Christmas morning pajamas, whatever. But how pretty is this? So there we have our scrapbook page, and we have our beautiful easel card. So I hope you like these projects. Thank you so much for joining me. Join me on TikTok at Date Princess. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.